So I've been getting a lot of questions on how I've been doing my hair lately at the salon. So here's a tutorial, okay? I use the Dyson Airwrap. I have the long length barrels, and I put the barrel on so that it's going to curl the hair towards my face like this. And then I give it like a little cool shot. And then the Airwrap you're supposed to turn off before you take it out of your hair. I see a lot of people on like TikTok and stuff making that mistake where they leave the Airwrap on while they pull it out. Your hair's just gonna be a mess. And then I put a Velcro roller in. This is a large one. These are from Amazon. And then I got these metal clips. I don't really like the plastic ones. And I just roll it up and clip it. Once I finish this side and I get to this side, I'm going to switch this barrel out so that now we have airflow coming in this way. And I'll just show you another one. Show you how I do this side. Okay, I'm starting to look a little crazy. So once I get to this big like top section, I'm gonna take this small little back part. I'm gonna curl this under. Oh, wait, this way. Oops. Wow, okay. And then we're gonna take like a medium roller, wrap that around. See, sometimes it's not perfect, but it's cute, okay? Okay, so now we're in this little front section. So these two I did towards the face and everything else is away. And then these two I'm gonna do away. So I'm gonna split this like in half, like that. Okay. Roll it up. And I'm gonna kind of pull it down like this because that's creating a volume. Okay, we do the cool shot with it pulled down like this. Okay, yes. And I'm using big rollers in the front. I was using smaller rollers in the front, but I just felt like I had to keep redoing it because it looked like a little aggressive. So, clip there. Lovely. And then we do this one. I'm obsessed with this Airwrap. I know it's expensive, but it was worth every penny. I use it almost every day. Okay, this might be hard to stay in, but. Okay, so I waited for them to cool down. I went and did my nails. So I'm gonna take these out. Basically pull the clip off, pull the roller out. Pretty sure everyone knows how to do that. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. So I usually will just take like some Olaplex oil. Sometimes the Velcro rollers make my hair staticky. And then normally I just spray it with like a little bit of hairspray, which I don't have right now. It's in the other room, so yeah, that's it. And I love doing my hair like this. It lasts all day. And yeah, that's it. All right, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas.